Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I decided to make a puzzle piece out of my chesticles. If you want to watch how I did this, keep watching.
Look. That's fucking crazy, man.
That's creepy.
That's how the world is, man. Like, he got famous after a mugshot. Put you in a hotel, we'll take you out to eat.
We'll put you in a motel. We ain't got that much money. For the sake of humanity. You're welcome. So you hear football in the background. It's Sunday. It's out of my control. I'm gonna work right here. That's why I have this grungy tank top on. And I've been heating up some of this in a clear mug. I'm gonna try to cut like a puzzle piece or something out. I have to reference a picture of a puzzle piece. That's sad. Boy, that's a weird feeling.
Bullshit.
Gross.
Yeah, that doesn't sound too good.
No. Cheesecake stuffed banana bread.
Scott Hall and Kevin Nash.
Scott Hall, Kevin Nash.
You know who that is?
No. You sound like you just said the name of a play in the theater it's playing at. I'm gonna shoot a little video of what it's like when I put my little palette knife in the water. Super convenient. I keep trying to smooth this out and what I'm thinking. It's not gonna happen. I just had this weird thought. What if I spray it with like spray deodorant? Shut up, look, it's matte. Shut up. I can't believe that worked. It's a birthday cake. I feel like I need so this flap right here is lifting up and I need to stick it down more. You know what's next? My favorite part. Standing outside the fire. Okay, Blood Gel by Graftobian. The First Scab by Midnight. Let's go. I bought some Christmas lights today. I'm pretty excited about it. They're like itty bitty tiny twinkle lights. I'm just nutty when it comes to picking out certain things. It either has to be exactly what I'm picturing, otherwise I'll just go a different direction. I'm not good at settling on a certain idea. Did it! Did it! Oh, I just put blood on my camera. It's like Mickey Mouse. So from here, all I want to do is zoom, 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 boom, boom, and shake y'all. I'm just gonna do a little itty bitty blow dry. Get this to cooperate. Take the picture now. That's helpful. Go comment, like. Alright, so congratulations, Allison. You said you're gonna sit down and do something, and you did it. I always get proud of myself for, you know, like those types of landmarks in life. So anyway, there's my corner puzzle piece that's been carved out of my soul. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, thumbs up, all the magic. And I'll see you in the next video. Where are my manners at? I didn't even remove it for you. If every little special effects video I've ever done shows me removing it, why stop now? Shot through the heart, and you're to blame. Yeah, this stuff is so thick, it's kinda lame. Oh! See? Mickey Mouse. A Mickey Mouse fan. Boy. Oh boy! Thank you, next bitch!